Hey guys, I gotta make this quick because my battery's about to die. I had a realization about antennas just now. For a while on 20 meters, I had 3 different antennas. I had my vertical. I had my ultra low dipole at 5 feet. I had my upside down and backwards Nike swoosh 80 meter end ped that I can use on 40, 20. And you know what? Comparing the 3 antennas on signals all across the United States, within the United States, once I adjusted my input gain on the receiver to compensate for the different signal levels, noise levels of the 3 antennas, the signal levels were virtually the same within an S unit, man, within an S unit. And they are 3 very different antennas. It doesn't depend so much on your takeoff angle of your antenna. A little bit helps, but it helps just a tiny bit. It's all about the propagation conditions. It's not your antenna, almost not at all. Very little in my experience. And that's just in the experience of Blowzo, your humble ham. And yeah, right? And on DX though, the vertical's gonna win every time, hands down. 73.
Cape Cod, Massachusetts to your east. Go ahead.
Wow. Should have grabbed my tripod. But it's 6 meters. I didn't think I'd be open.
Roger, Rob. Very good. Yeah, you got a little bit of QSB on your signal right now, but you're coming in stronger. Go ahead.
Oh, come on, man. Well,
Roger, yeah. The last couple of weekends there, it's been, we've had some good openings here at my location, and looking for better times ahead for at least the next month and a half, 2 months. Rob, go ahead.
yeah. If he ever finishes his QSO, I'll bring you back. Man, this is so frustrating. He finished his QSO with the one guy, then immediately a BE3 pounced on him, and he struck up a QSO with him. And, you know, when 6 meters has opened once or twice in the last 6 months, I don't expect people to have rag chews, man. I wouldn't. I want to rapid fire get exchanges as fast as possible, you know. Echo November 83, thanks old man 73, you know, and I'm off. And now they're talking about FT8, of course. 6 meters cracks open, and Jesus, they're talking about FT8. I don't believe it, man. I hate FT8.